Are you gearing up for a move in or around Jersey City, New Jersey? Whether it's a new home, a new office, or just a change of scenery, moving can be a challenging experience. That's where Ample Moving steps in, your trusted local moving company dedicated to turning the stress of moving into a seamless, hassle-free journey. Why Ample Moving? Local expertise. Nestled in the heart of Jersey City, we have an intimate understanding of the area. This local knowledge is invaluable in navigating the best routes, ensuring timely and safe delivery of your belongings. Professional team. Our team is the backbone of our services. Highly trained, experienced, and passionate, they treat your items with the utmost care and respect, ensuring everything arrives in pristine condition. Customized moving plans. We recognize that no two moves are the same. That's why we offer personalized moving solutions tailored to your specific needs, whether it's a small apartment or a large corporate office. Affordable, transparent pricing. We believe in providing top-quality service without hidden costs. Our pricing is competitive and transparent, ensuring you get the best value for your money. Comprehensive services. Our services cover every aspect of moving, from professional packing to efficient transportation and careful unloading. We handle it all with the highest professionalism. Our services. Residential moving. We specialize in residential relocations. Our team ensures that your personal belongings are transported safely and efficiently to your new home. Commercial moving, moving your business. We understand the need for a quick, efficient move to minimize downtime. Our commercial moving services are designed to get your business back on track in no time. Packing and unpacking. Our expert packing services provide the utmost care for your belongings, using high-quality materials and techniques for maximum protection. Storage solutions. Need extra space? We offer secure, climate-controlled storage facilities for both short-term and long-term needs. Experience the ease of moving with Ample Moving. At Ample Moving, we're committed to making your moving experience as smooth and stress-free as possible. Our team is ready to handle all the heavy lifting, allowing you to focus on settling into your new space. Ready to make your move in Jersey City? Don't let the burden of moving overwhelm you. Contact Ample Moving today for a free, no-obligation quote and take the first step towards a hassle-free move. Our team is ready to assist you with all your moving needs. Call us now at 1-201-721-5777 or visit our website at https://amplemoving.com to schedule your move. Choose Ample Moving for a reliable, efficient, and stress-free moving experience. Let us show you why we are Jersey City's preferred local moving company. Your next move is just a call or click away.